the 43rd week of 1990. And yes, this copy does have previews on it because this copy is version 1 of the 1990 VHS. So I just want to give you proof.